Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burrito beef. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. For the seasoning, grab 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Don't forget 1 cup of beef broth and 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce to create that rich, savory base. Let's get cooking. First, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your 1.5 pounds of ground beef, breaking it apart with a spoon as it cooks. Once the beef is fully browned and no pink is left, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a flavorful, but not greasy, burrito filling. Now, toss in your chopped onion and minced garlic, stirring them into the beef. Sauté for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become fragrant and tender. Now it's time to infuse our beef with incredible flavor. Sprinkle in the 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of oregano. Stir well and cook for about 1 minute, allowing the spices to bloom and release their aromas. Next, pour in the 1 cup of beef broth and the 8 ounce can of tomato sauce. Give it a good stir, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, your burrito beef should be rich and tender. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a pinch more salt or pepper to suit your palate. If the mixture seems a bit too liquid for your liking, simply continue to simmer it uncovered for a few extra minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. This flavorful beef is now ready to be served. Spoon it into warm tortillas and pile on your favorite toppings for an amazing homemade burrito experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.